birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, hello! Ka-birthday, happy birthday! Wish ko no, mag-wish ko, wish. I wish your wishes will be my wish also that will come true.
Oh boy! Hello! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ito na ba rin yung edad? Wag na yun. Okay! Bye!
Alam Manoy, happy birthday. Unsay na adiha? Kung nakay hatan ako ibili na sa din na kay niya pa mi dinhi sa kuan sa hospital nagsige og kuan pabugnaw sa aircon. Happy birthday usab. Salamat.
Hello, Manny Boy! Happy birthday! I'll be coming to give you a surprise. Happy birthday! May you have many years birthday to come.
Hello Paul, good morning, happy birthday. Inaot unta nga pagkanunay nga mayo imong panglawas. So daghang salamat sa mga outing na nako permente. God bless.
Happy birthday, Uncle Boy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Boy.
Happy birthday, Uncle Boy.
Wishing you all the best and more
Good health.
good health. Hope to see you soon. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Uncle Boy. Happy birthday. Hope you have more birthdays to come, more journeys to go. Hope you have good health. And ingat Permi. And regards to Antilaga. Peace.
Shout out from California. Happy birthday, Uncle Boy. Wishing you more years to come, more blessings, and with love, with family. Again, happy birthday, 70th birthday. From California, this is Inday.
Happy birthday, Lola Boy.
That's Ty. Have a good birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi Uncle Boy. Malipayong adlaw na tawan nimo karon. Hinaot nga ang grasa sa Dios pudanag kanimo karon og sa kanunay. Amping permi Uncle Boy, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Uncle Boy. Happy birthday. Stay and good health. Enjoy your birthday, Uncle Boy.
Okay. Let's sing for Papa Boy, okay? And before we sing, we say greetings to Papa Boy. Papa Boy! Hi! We are here now in Australia. Daghang salamat sa imong kaayo o more good health, blessings sa imo Papa Boy, and looking forward to see you again sa among holiday or vacation sa Philippines. Wishing you all good health. Love you. Now we sing our happy birthday. Oh yeah. Sing again. Happy birthday to you. Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Happy birthday, Papa Boy.
God bless you.
How about you, Alana? Do you say?
Happy birthday, Papa Boy.
How about you, Aliana?
Hi, Papa Boy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
happy birthday, Papa Boy. We love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nong Boy.
Happy 75th birthday, Uncle Ninong Boy. Kami sa tibuok nga Dalangin family o Castillo family muhatag sa amo gayot nga panghinaot nga magmalipayon ka sa imong adlaw nga natawhan ug dugang pang kahimsog sa panglawas, kalipay uban sa imong pamilya ug pagkatuigan nga magsaulog ka sa imong birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 75th birthday.
Lolo Boy.
I wish you a good health and long life, more birthday to come, and take care of yourself always. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Lolo Boy.
Uncle Boy.
Happy birthday sa among tatay nga medyo buotan, pero buotan yun bitaw tay. Gipangayo lang namo sa Ginoo nga tagaan pa mo kabaskog nga panglawas duwa ni nanay nga magdugay pa mo diri sa kalibutan. O isa pa, padayon lang og pananaog sini kada Lunes. Then ayo lang kalimot og extra careful kay kabalo biya ka nga nagkabata na imong edad karon. Then happy birthday amping mo permi ni nanay.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa Boy. We love you.
Again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa Boy. Happy birthday. Happy, You ate. You lived another year. Happy birthday. God bless. Good health. Long live the king.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa Boy. We wish you the best of everything from your one and only grandson.
Happy birthday, Papa Boy. I pray that you will have a good health from your favorite granddaughter.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.